Welcome to this video on the red kite in the Harz Mountains. Known in German as Rotmilan and by its scientific name Milvus milvus, this bird is a true master of gliding. How can you identify a red kite? Look for a large wingspan of up to 195 centimeters, a deeply forked tail, and distinct reddish-brown plumage with white patches visible under its wings. Distinguishing the red kite from the common buzzard is key. While the buzzard has a robust silhouette and rounded tail, the red kite is known for its elegant narrow-winged flight and iconic forked tail. The red kite is a quintessentially European species. Germany is a vital stronghold for these birds, hosting approximately half of the global population. In the Harz region, you can spot these raptors across various habitats, including river valleys, fields, meadows, and along the edges of forests. Why does the red kite favor the Harz? The area provides a perfect mosaic of forest and open land, excellent thermals for gliding, and abundant food sources. As a master of flight, the red kite expertly uses rising warm air currents, known as thermals, to travel long distances without needing to flap its wings. The red kite is an opportunistic omnivore. Its diet varies by season, consisting of insects, small mammals, carrion, small birds, and even worms. Beyond its beauty, this bird plays an important ecological role by removing animal remains from the landscape, which helps limit the spread of diseases. During the critical nesting season, these birds build their homes high in the trees. Typically, a pair will raise 2 to 3 chicks per brood. Migration patterns vary. While many populations perform seasonal migrations, a growing number of red kites now choose to winter locally within Germany. Unfortunately, the population faces threats such as poisoning, collisions with power lines, habitat loss due to agricultural intensification, and risks from road traffic. To protect the red kite, conservationists combine strict legal protections with active habitat management and ongoing population monitoring. The red kite is truly a symbol for nature conservation and biodiversity in Central Europe, celebrated for its grace and unique flight maneuvers. If you wish to observe them in the Harz, the best times are spring and summer, during the early morning or evening hours. Remember to maintain a respectful distance. This video was created using a variety of academic publications, field guides, and online databases in multiple languages, ensuring a comprehensive overview of the red kite. For our Polish-speaking audience, key resources include the Atlas of Breeding Birds of Poland and monitoring data provided by OTOP and GDOS. German language research, including the Compendium der Vogel Mitteleuropas, provided essential insights into the species' biology and conservation status in its European stronghold. English language resources were consulted to broaden the scope, featuring global perspectives from organizations like BirdLife International and the Cornell Lab of Ornithology. French documentation, such as the guides published by Delachaux and Nisley, offered further specialized knowledge on European birds of prey. The variety of sources utilized allows for a well-rounded understanding of the red kite, covering different research methodologies and regional interpretations. We have incorporated high-quality illustrations and verified observations to support the information presented in this video. All images used have been carefully selected, ensuring adherence to Creative Commons licensing and proper attribution where required. By leveraging both digital databases and traditional printed media, this video provides a reliable reference for those interested in ornithology. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the red kite in the Harz region has been informative and helpful to your learning.